In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, this story is about Chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, this story is about Chosens. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities. From the birth of the universe, there has always been a war between light and darkness.
It has begun.
Morning, Jamaica. Welcome to Jazz 105, the place and station to stay alive. Well, this is the hottest day of the year. On this day, the sun actually glows red for a period of half an hour. You know, in the 16th century, it actually opened a portal for some dude called Okandaliza, or Okandaliza, but I don't know how to pronounce that name. But never mind, the Groove Master is here to take you back
Lord
in time
Brenton,
with some
all when you eat ya smoke.
As of today, we're done with smoking, baby.
Not with that dragon breath. Plus, me no like the scent of tobacco.
I'm late for work. Great! Boss said the first man gets in this morning. I'm going to work with him in the tunnel that we're digging for the new energy plant. And I don't want to be the one that have to go down there. So me are going late today. Boss, you lucky.
First man to get on the job. Killian Dope can't make it today. So me and you are going to knife it.
Times like these, I wish I was still doing accounting.
What, afraid of dark?
No, just what's in it.
Nothing to worry about. Just keep your mind on the job and your eyes where the light shine. Alright, look more hydro, Brenton. More. Alright, look more. Brenton, give me more hydro. I want to see another world there, you know.
fabric of the dome is weakening. I will take out my wrath upon this world. No more light.
I don't think that's a good idea, you know, bossy.
Just go and check the generator and make sure I'm getting enough juice in. These dumpy stories.
Something passed me. And what that me just say?
Because I don't know how to get up and attack all these dumpy stories. It's something like a bedtime story. Wait, Brent, are you that? We know sir you, you know. You can't stay there hide like you're a fool. You think you can frighten me?
Bossy! Bossy, lucky!
As early as the dawn of man, Elohim has always been seeking a chosen set to defend the light from darkness. Controller of lightning, and possesses the 5 billion bolt sword of Elohim. My teacher and mentor, the Guardian, soldier from the 16th century. Elohim's most treasured warrior.
Rastaman, don't move. Why me must move? Because I have a knife. A knife you call that sawadi. That's why me have to hit them with lightning and thunder.
This beauty is Humming Girl. Not only does she have impeccable speed, but she have a scream that can rip apart a semi-truck. My close friend and confidant. Nothing passes this keen-eyed detective. Detective Sarge Hunter, top cop of the Central City Police Station. Would say him at the gallus in the bunch. His gift? He has the gift of sight. The big bad chaos. Nothing stands in his way as he harnesses energy directly from the ground with his feet. Charming fellow. Just don't get on his bad side.
I was gonna take it back.
His team of Chosens are led by one man, and that's me. I am Jamaican. So if you're thinking about a life of crime, don't.
Though I can easily morph into Jamaican, the Guardian thinks I'm still not ready and still have a lot more training to do. This coming from a man who thinks he came from the 16th century. Well, I think I'm ready. Though Jamaican is my alias, it's also my status. My real name is Zema Cross. Now watch me as I prepare once more to save the world. Uh-oh. Guardian? Help!
Zema!
Okay, now that you've met all of the relevant characters, let's go back to the story and see how I became Jamaica's first superhero.
Brenton, you reach home early. How are you, Bono?
now inside here worse than when Riverton catch a fire. Lord, Brenton, you're stressing me out.
What is wrong with you? What is all this? Because this morning we agreed that you will stop the smoking. Second-hand smoke is one of the main contributions for lung cancer.
Right now, I want some fresh air. And what kind of influence you under?
19-year-old Shanoia Barnes of Westchester and Sun City is now the 7th woman to have gone missing over the last 2 months.
What did I
Prime
go
Minister
tell
Asafa
about
Powell
people
pleads
on
to
the
the public
case
to be
and
vigilant.
reach where them are going
It is
in
indeed a
mud.
sad time when a nation's women and children are being targeted.
We can't beat the traffic in a road wise. Traffic just want to walk the road.
Yeah, this is warning, you got your people be like ballin', no wonder if that is your calling, you have your people be complaining, no leaving straight through till morning. Warning, you got your people be like ballin', no wonder if that is your calling, you have your people be complaining, no leaving straight through till morning.
A government not governing, and they don't know what them doing. But me notice often a brand new vehicle muggling. Justice is not for us, them a treat we unjust, anxious. They put the youths them in a handcuff. Murder crime is on the rise, Jamaicans open on the eyes. Get rid of who now perform, show them that we wise. Enough of them belly big like an oversized pig. While we a mugger down in our pocket, them a dig. Diggity. In our pocket, them a dig. This is a
warning, you got your people be like ballin', I wonder if that is your calling, you have your people be complaining or leaving straight through till morning. Warning, you got your people be like ballin', I wonder if that is your calling, you have your people be complaining or leaving straight through till morning.
Yes, the big man. You use your talent to climb out of poverty. You are really a motivation to a lot of people in this community. Respect to you, Bolt. Pop your collar. There are good in all of us. We just have to start believing in ourselves. All the best to you, Bolt, in your future endeavors. Aye! Mosquito bite me and fly away. I hope you not give me chicken gun here. Let me go and work it out.
Don't you dare touch me! Stand back! No!
What them boy they up to?
Lock your mouth before they knock you out.
Sorry, may I squeeze your hand too tight?
Yo, hold up, brother.
No, what is? Two of you and one woman? Big man, tell me say a woman's strength you have.
Yo, this is not your concern, my youth. Leave.
Make sure the woman appreciate my company right now over yours.
Yes, I do. Yes. No.
Run, girl. Cause them boy you want to hold a seat beside Zebra.
Yeah. That was never right, my youth. Steel Jaw's face is lined with structures, result from an accident years ago. It wouldn't surprise me if them finger it broke.
Blackheart is right. The man face nearly broke my hand. I have to definitely wait a while before I can use the hand again.
Yo, Steel Jaw, don't need